Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwasemndodolo sogogo Bathini Mbatha. Nganiza ukuthi namhlanje sikhuluma ngeseries yethu yamabhayi. Ngiyayithanda le series. It connects me with my ancestors. It connects me with different cultures. That's why I tend to listen to all genre, all kind of music, especially traditional music, like Dr. Thomas Chauke and Senior Sisters. So I love my culture and I'm proud for who I am. Nganza kwethu namhlanje sikhuluma ngebhayi. Leli nganza kwethu yibhayi leqhude elimnyama. Gogo, why uthi yibhayi leqhude elimnyama? Why uthi leli qhude leli limnyama? Well, for simple reason. The color black, or the color that dominates throughout, the color that dominates throughout ibhayi, we name that the color of that ibhayi by that color that dominates. If it's black, it's black. This one is black. Gogo, at which stage, or what is an ideal phase of my calling do I wear ibhayi? You can wear it at any phase as a reminder. But the most important phase and the meaning of it, why? It's when usase in the darkness and ufuna liqhude lelihlezi likhuthaza ukuthi you're not going to be there forever. Find those zakho ikhuthale, iqhude liyakhuthala, ligishimisa ikhukazi, lenza ini, liyamemeza, liyashuthi nabantu abazayo, lenza into eyiningi, liyisikhathi, liyi-alarm as well. So le qhude lelisuke litshena ukuthi yes, you are in the dark, but you need to zinze within your dark so that you'll identify ukuthi what happened. How did you find yourself in this darkness in your life? So you need to stay in the dark and deal with the darkness before you want to go out and deal with other things. So leli yibhayi olufaka iphase yakho uma isase in the dark. Then we go to ibhayi lethu lesibili. Today, as I've said, today we're going to talk about Amabhayi eqhude kuphela and their meanings, because they are different. This one confuses a lot of people, because people, they say to me, okay, Gogo, leli ke lebizwana, what color is this? Wait. Yeah, what color is this, Gogo? Obone bhayi leli ke leli Gogo uzothini? Uzothi iqhude limhlophe? Yes. Iqhude libomvu? Yes. Why do you say that? Because of esikhathi esiningi ibhayi leli belibabomvu lana kwemhlophe iqhude igcine libabomvu. So leli sithi yibhayi elibomvu because of siyazi ukuthi likhona ibhayi limnyama. And sibiza esikhathi esiningi njena umuntu mathi ufuna iqhude elibomvu usokhuma iqhude njani. Ngoba if this color doesn't dominate ubomvu lona, I don't know what happens to the color patterns of your color. But leli, don't be confused. Ukuthi either you call it ukuthi limhlophe or libomvu. Leli ulfaka ku phase whereby you have already identified ukuthi ithongo lakho lifunani, and now you are working on that problem. There's a difference, guys. You identify the problem, then you work on the problem. So here, it's you work on the problem. Using what? Nezalukazi ezikwembethe, because ogogo abakufundisayo abakilayayo ukuthi kwenziwa kanje kwenziwa kanje kwenziwa kanje. That is before you graduate to amakhehla, whereby amakhehla ke manjena lana kukhala what, kukhala maroon, usudila ne issue yamakhehla, la amakhehla ke sawuzo guide khona even further. Lana amakhehla ke manje lana ususe phasing yamakhehla, you are now combining izalukazi zakho namakhehla akho, but still you dealing with ini isithunywa esikhulu lana esiyini esilokhuzana we're dealing with those lana eliyini eliyiqhude, not ukuthi iqhude ngokuthi iqhude because of it's a male hen. No, iqhude because of iqhude in terms of powers, in terms of the capabilities of iqhude, not the gender of iqhude. Don't be confused. Iqhude in terms of the capabilities. Yeah, what can it do? Ukwandisa ikhaya, it's an alarm system, it's a notice kwenzalani, it's a notice ukuthi kunenyoka noma kunochakide la egcekeni, izinto ezifana nalezo. It's only iqhude that can send that message quicker. So here we're dealing with iqhude, not the male part of it. Then bese qhamuka ini ke manje now we put gender ukuthi obani ke labo subabhinqele ngalo khala lelo. Purple, maroon. Now dealing with the issue ye maroon. So don't be confused ngani zakwethu. Lana usudila ngamakhehla. Udila ngodaka, ubumnyama, the darkness. You're dealing with the issue ke manje ukuthi you have identified what is your problem and you're inviting izalukazi to be with you in dealing with that problem. Now you also include, now you see now sengifunde ngokwanele ngeke ngisabhayiza eyintweni eningi ngoba izalukazi sezingifundisile. Mase ngifika la kulamakhehla lawa istory sami izoba sengisazi. Then you get to this stage. Samakhehla. Why maroon represent amakhehla? Then we are born ukuthi no. Kahle kahle lana unenkulu namaphepha unomatches, paraffin or matches, whatever you call it. Lana unalo ozolayitha umlilo ke manje amakhehla ke manje azoyenza izinto zenzeke empilweni yakho. Umlilo wakho usuyavutha ke manje. You've got the whole fire, let's say it's inkuni namaphepha amalahle umatches, for example. I'm not saying it goes like that. Umlilo wakho usuyavutha manje. Uyavutha umlilo wakho manje. Into zakho seziyenzeka manje usufudumele uyabona ilight wenza in into zakho ziyavuma manje. What is your plan B? What is your backup mechanism? Ukuthi should anything go wrong ngale mithi lela abantu abanika yona zonke izinto bathi yenza lokho in what do you do? What is your escape zone in everything that you be doing? We get to by any blue that represent isithunywa. Yiqhude nalo eli blue leli lizodila ngama issues la umuthi ungafinyeleli khona, because umuthi it's not everything kanzakwethu. Umuthi is not everything. Then you get into this kuthiwa yini ibhayi lesithunywa. That's why you'll find abathandazi abaningi bayalibhinqa mhlambe abanye balithwala ekhanda, abanye balifaka nje emahlombe, abanye balibhinqa kanje njengoba ngibhinqe leli laseswatini. So ngani zakwethu, that was our series for Amabhayi for today. Isalwa sendoda leso Gogo Bathini Mbatha. I hope ukuthi you are also enjoying the music I'm playing in the background, which is, I love this music. For forever I've been playing different genres and everything, and thanks to the colleague of mine that we've worked with in the media who introduced me to African music. So guys, 082-833-4063, 082-833-4063 for ama bookings, or you can also go to gogo@bathinimbatha.co.za and check out our new website from tomorrow. Go www.bathinimbatha.co.za, bathinimbatha.co.za. Thank you for the support. Let's keep in touch and let's stay blessed. Don't put money $8 in the name of Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Asisebenzi kanjalo, asilambeli ukubala. Malutho.